Okay, guys. So today or this evening, we are going to speed test using Starlink direct to cell. So two bar. So we have a two bar. So my status here outside medyo maambon at mayroong open clouds a little bit. So it means mayroong pang makuha na signal. Right now we have two bars and we've got around almost 3 Mbps. Then sa upload medyo mabagal siya. So it means overpasses na yung satellite na nandito sa kinatatayuan ko. Over bypasses na. So wait na lang for another new satellite will be passing on. So here's the result for the first round. Second round. So right now medyo wala pang more direct to cell satellite hovering over the space kasi ito is medyo around meron pa naka-active na satellite around 2 around 600 more than active direct to cell satellite. So it will be more satellite will deploy more than month or 2 or 3 years from now. So I hope na this will be more game changer na kakuha tayo ng very good signal, at least 2 or 3. It's very good na mayroon tayong signal. Okay, third round, medyo nahihingalo na yung signal by Starlink. So yun, hanap tayo ng pwesto. Alright, 638. So this is the highest ping that I already tested. Around 300 to 400. Excuse me. But right now it's around 638. So with coughing. Alright, we've got 1 Mbps. Okay. So this is perfect for access if you are remote area places. So very compatible